Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering tools and cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal so you won't short the wiring. Once done, pry off the front panel and remove the 4 screws holding the instrument cluster. Make sure to label or photo each connector so you can restore wiring exactly. This avoids swapped plugs later. Now gently pull the cluster forward and unplug the harnesses with a firm press on the tabs. You're ready to inspect the inside for loose cables or burnt traces. Now focus on the sensor and wiring because most Speedo faults come from there. You remove the wheel cover, locate the wheel speed sensor, and look for obvious damage or oil contamination. Then test continuity and resistance with a multimeter, compare readings to spec. Once done, trace the harness back to the ECU and the cluster, checking each connector for corrosion or bent pins. If you find frayed wires, splice and solder with heat shrink. Then reapply contact cleaner and protect with dielectric grease. Finish by reinstalling the instrument cluster and tightening the screws to secure fit and grounding. Reconnect the battery, and if you have access, clear stored ECU or cluster fault codes to reset calibration. Once done, ride slowly in a safe area and verify the speedometer needle moves smoothly and matches GPS speed. If it fluctuates or reads 0, make sure grounds and the main ECU connector are solid. As a troubleshooting tip, swap in a known good cluster to isolate whether the dash or sensor/harness is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.